JetSkill Academy, India's first practical sales school, building sales leaders, not just job seekers. There's a big problem. India produces 1.5 million MBA graduates every year, yet 80% of them are unemployable in professional sales. Why? Because the business schools focus mainly on theory rather than real-life execution, and industries struggle to find a trained and confident professionals, especially in B2B, industrial, tech and export segments. And the gap is there's no structured platform exists today that prepares students and young professionals for the entry-level sales jobs. With live product training, competitive pitch stimulation and practical industry mentorship. The solution: JetSkill Academy bridges this gap through hands-on sales training in industrial, tech, B2C, B2B and D2C sectors. Also, on-field internship and product demonstration. Sales pitch competitions judged by real industry leaders, and also access to the network of hiring partners looking for job-ready sales talent. Modular and scalable training formats. B2B, training partnership with companies for onboarding and sales skilling. B2I, government CSR funded skilling programs, mentor licensing and sales IPs. Piloted with 150 plus students. 92% placed within 60 days. 8 partner companies onboarded in industrial tech sector. 100 plus members in pipeline across India. No refund request and more than 95% program satisfaction. Why invest in JetSkill? Low capex, high gross margin, 60 to 65%. Targeting 10 crore revenue with lean model. Scalable across Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities via hybrid franchisee model. First mover advantage in sales skilling domain. Massive white space in industrial and core sector sales training. 1.5 crore seed investment for expansion in 5 cities, tech platform and marketing. Projected ROI 3.5 times in 36 months. Break even by 14 months. JetSkill is not just creating sales professionals. It is creating confident closures, future sales leaders and solving India's biggest placement paradox.